Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create AE style text animations right inside Capcut. No After Effects needed. It will make your text look clean, modern, and dynamic, just like those professional motion graphic intros. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Capcut and start a new project, and then import your clips. Now tap on text, then add text and type your word. And then choose any bold font. Go to styles and then adjust the size. Then add a shadow for depth and then adjust the opacity, blur, distance, and angle. And then adjust the spacing like this. And then don't forget to adjust the durations. Tab add animation, just go to animation tab and then go to in, choose type 2 and then adjust the durations, go to out and then choose fade out. Set the durations. Next, add a keyframes at the start and end of your text, like this. And then on the second keyframe, slightly adjust the positions or scale. This will give it a natural motion instead of looking static. And here I will add another text too, just an exclamation mark. And then I will change the color to red. Then add keyframes at the start, middle, and end of the text. On the first keyframe, I will adjust the size like this. And on the last keyframe, I will change it like this. Now between the first and second keyframes, apply the As in graph. And between the second and last keyframe, use As out graph. Last, just add entries and exit animations to this text. Then just try to play the video. And that's it. Now you have got an AE style text animations made entirely in Capcut. It's fast, smooth, and easy. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.